Hello guys, welcome back to Good Hero Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Outriders Unreal process has crashed, UE4-Madness error, and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what we have to do is when you're having this issue, you just have to run the game as administrator. So as you can see that I don't have the game. So even though I just wanted to show you the fix, but what you have to just imagine this is the game Outriders game. So you just have to click on the game and you just have to go to properties and you just have to click on the compatibility tab, and there is run this program as administrator. You just have to tick this. Most probably this will be, it is disabled, so you just have to enable this and go for apply and go for OK and try to open the game. Most probably this should be completely fixed. This is the first step which I would like to give you guys, and the next solution is you just have to follow the next thing, because the next thing is all about verifying the game file. So as you know that you will be getting the game file either on the Steam or Epic Games, so you just have to go to the respective store, and you just have to go to the stores, or you just have to go to the library, and from here you just have to verify the games, right? This is the next step which I would like to give you guys. So right now you just have to verify the game. So to verify the game, you just have to for example, you just have to click over here, and you just have to you just have to click over here, and there will be verify option. So you just have to verify the game. So in the same way, if you're having the game, you'll be having verify option. Just do the verify option, and most probably that will help you to fix the issue up. And moving on to the next solution is all about you just have to lower the CPU core usage, so that you just make sure that no big things are running in the task manager. So you just have to go to the task manager, and if anything bigs are going on between, for example, as you can see, mine Epic Games launcher is going on. Even in some cases I used to open Steam and do the same. So both the launches at the same time can drain your PC a lot. So you just have to clear the unwanted things and just go for end task by selecting it. And this is the third step which I would like to give you guys. And the last one is all about you just have to do a normal restart. Most probably doing a simple restart on, if you're on a console like PS4 or Xbox, and even on the PC, just do a normal restart kind of fix the issue up. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.